Maya. Come here. Hey.
No!
Hey, he won't bite you, I promise.
Is this one bite people?
No, Malachi.
No, he got one.
Hey, if I put him down, will you catch him? Who catch him? I got him right here. He's not biting me. Who's going to catch him?
Okay,
You catch him first, and then Maya catches him. And then Mommy.
No, no.
Malachi, you right? Now get off that bicycle. We're catching frogs. You better catch him. You got to put your hand over him. Don't squish him. Get him. Get him, Malachi. Get him, get him, get him. Get him.
Okay.
You grab him. Get him, Malachi. He's going to hop away.
Daddy, Mommy can. Mama, you
Oh my, get him. Pick him up. He's going to
Mama,
die. He's
you're a little
upside
boy.
down.
You're supposed to collect frogs. Get him.
You may catch him again. Will you put him in your hand if I catch him? Here, Maya.
Put him in my hand.
All right, you got it. When I put him in there, you got to do it like this. You got to keep. You can't squeeze him. All right, ready? Don't squeeze him. You gonna move? Maya, come here. Put your hands inside my hands. Put your hands inside my hands.
Oh, you could tickle me?
Hurry! Yes, he's gonna tickle you. Come on, let me see your hands.
I tried it.
Open your hands. Open your hands. Malachi, want to do it again? You feel it moving?
This way. No, try and make it. Okay, Daddy, these are good.
Put him down on the ground. Put him down. Put him down. Put him down.
I know Daddy is a great